Hey guys, we're back on a game that's old but partially new. If you can't guess it, the second one's coming out soon. It's The Crew. Let's get in here now. Load into the map in about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start loading into the map. Come on. See, I'm always off my time. I probably messed up I probably botched the saying up again this time. I'm in a Perspex Dodge Charger, but I've been noticing something that I've been using the same cars over and over in every video. Right, it's that classic Mustang, or maybe this Dodge Charger. Let's switch it up to that this time. I mean, they are my favorite vehicles in the game, but you know, let's take a look here. Ooh, someone just whizzed by real fast. We're gonna run my silver Lamborghini. I think this guy wants to race. He really doesn't know my Lambo is completely repaired. Yeah. Whatever, dude. He's in a better Lambo. He has to be. I think he is, so. Don't forget that whole little repair stuff. I'm not good at driving these really small supercars. My acceleration up. Let's pull a UE on him. If he turns around, that's gonna be funny. Yep, he turned around. Let's book it. Come on, book it. Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. Alright, let's do something else here. I know something else. I haven't used this vehicle in a while. So, this is one of my vehicles I have. Let's hang out and wait for police calls today. I think he's going to be disappointed when he catches up with me. Oh, we already have a police call coming out. Let's take it. Looks like we're going to be law enforcement today, boys. And that's how you do it. I guess. I don't know. Get some money. I want some money. Yeah, he's probably going to put me in my place now. Yeah, I don't know what he's driving, but if my raid truck can catch up with it, it's not that good. You're under arrest, sir. Or madam. Or whoever you are behind that name tag, I don't know. You can never tell sometimes. I mean, I just assume that everyone's a guy. In all the games I play, it's kind of a habit. It's not to insult anyone or make anyone mad. I'm just saying, I mean, when you don't think perfectly, like, you don't, you know, I guess it's hard to explain. Whatever. I'll save the explanatory videos for another day. That's a series coming up, by the way. And he jumped to another location. I'm guessing he's out here. But if I'm catching him with my raid spec Ford F-150, there's something wrong here. He's using a starter car. He's probably this guy, I think. No. It's not him. No, that's not him. That's not him. Alright. Hello, you. You're level 4. You're under arrest. You're on private property. I should totally get in game chat and just tell this guy you're under arrest for being on private property. I should. I seriously should. Let's do that, people. Let's get in game chat and tell him you're under arrest for being on private property. I don't know if this guy even speaks English, but we'll do it. By the way, this is my headset. It's wireless, so I don't know if you guys saw that. There you go. Boost the volume up, power it up, and start party. Invitations. I didn't even see that one. You're under arrest for being on private property. You're under arrest for being on private property. Come out with your hands up. Reverse slowly and follow me to the nearest road. I'm just messing with you. Alright. I'm trying to be funny. Come on. Hello? This is just kind of awkward. Okay, I'm just going to drive off slowly. We arrested him, but everyone, so he's under arrest. And now we're going to rip it up in this guy's field like I don't care about private property. Oh, that's too funny. But this guy's too close to this package, so we're just gonna sit here and puppy guard this and wait for another call out. That was funny. I literally got in game chat, everyone, and I just told this person when he came out of whatever he was doing that he's under arrest for being on private property. So what he's gonna do with that, I don't know. But it's totally a joke. So if he ever finds this video, sir or madam, whoever you are, I apologize if I offended you. I'm just trying to do funny things for my YouTube channel. Hey guys, smash a like for this guy, whoever this is, and leave a comment if he shows up one day. Say hi. Alright, here we go. Alright, let's see here. We're just waiting on a call out right now. Let's go ahead and I'll switch my law enforcement vehicle to my perf spec. I got a lot of money. I got over 300 grand. Let's do something with that. 300 grand. What can I get in the police station for that? Enter. I really need a new perf spec police car. I'm sick of the one I got. But I don't want a Lambo because I don't want something that's too small. My bad. Alright. Let's just go here. So dirt spec is that. Dirt spec. That's a perf spec. McLaren. Nice. Oh, no, that's a Lamborghini. Perf spec. So if I wait a little longer, I can get something like this for perf spec. Oh, I can get a new raid spec. I can get the police monster truck. Oh, God, no. No. Sorry, people. Unless you like this video, I will not get this. I will not. And I'm not meaning like one like. I mean like we're gonna have to go for 20,000 for me to get that. No matter how much money I have, I'm saving up for like stuff like this. Although I would like that street spec. I can afford it finally. No, I want a perf spec, and I'm almost there. So we'll leave here. And we'll come back knowing that there is a perf spec waiting for us. That it would be hopefully good for us. Keep in mind, people, when we do something like that, and we blinked. Okay, I blame myself. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sir. Are you okay, or madam, sir, madam, whoever? God, I gotta pick one or the other. I'm sorry. And now I gotta arrest you for hitting a bus. Okay, you're under arrest. God. Come on, let's do it. Let's go. Let's get out of here before the commissioner comes and takes our badge off. Alright, I'm going to take off these headsets because I'm probably talking louder than I have to. Here we go. Let's look into what else we can do. I'm waiting for a call out, and we got a call out. Oh, what? Do you guys see that on the screen? The car was levitating over nothing. I don't know how I started out in the dirt. Alright, hot pursuit. Okay, well that car vanished and reappeared. Oh god. We gotta hurry. We gotta hurry. We gotta hurry. No, 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 no. He's pulling away from me. Or is equal with me. I don't know. Come on, get up to my 200. Get up to my 200. Get up to my 200. Yes, and parallel park. Or something, I guess. We need the money. Give us money. Thank you. Oh, an extra amount of money. That's always good. More money the merrier. That was a good pursuit, buddy. Good job. GG. Good game. Good game. Oh, I think he wants to go round 2. Or is maybe this is someone else. Nope. Round 2 it is. I hate these narrow roads. Oh, this is someone else over there. Alright, let's respawn. Yep, we're on the same track. Oh, it's the same person. How come I'm not getting the little thing on my end? But I got him! I also killed about 3 families. Oh man, that's not what I wanted. Oh well. GG, man. GG. Oh, look at this. He's gonna be salty. No, he's gonna be salty. He's gonna be salty. Oh, he's salty. He's being salty. Oh god. Here we go. Dude, I said GG. Come on. Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away. Get away. Get away. Get away. Get away. Get away. Get away. You know, as soon as he activates that mission again, I'm going for it. And there's about 11 minutes on the clock, and oh, someone else. Here we go. Yay. My savior. I get to arrest him now. Right back at you, man. You're in my town now. Don't hit police. Don't become most wanted. You think going off-road is going to lose me? Okay, it might lose me. Your car struggles just as much as mine. Hello, not the most wisest decision. That's fine, hit me, man, hit me. I'm gonna get you. I'm getting better at the getaways. No! Almost wanted to escape. Oh well. GG, man. Good game. Alright, let's get out of here. GG, everyone. GG. Is he coming back at me? No, he's just sitting there. He's trying to figure out what to do. He's deciding to come back and ram me, or continue on and go and get more packages. Regardless, guys, we only have 8 minutes, so we're going to go as long as we can. Or until the video feed just stops. My camera will stop recording at the end of the timer. I have hiccups. My bad. I'm probably the only police officer in the server right now. I don't find too many other officers in the crew. It's kind of sad. Not everyone wants to be a good guy, it feels like. But if you think about it, the whole story is based off being the good guy. Except the very beginning, with the illegal stuff. I'm not the best driver. Everyone, I know I need more practice, okay? I'm trying here. I'm just putting my lights and sirens and hopefully people move out of the way. Move out of the way, coming through. Thank you. Don't mind me. I'll just push any car out of the way I want at this point. I mean, come on. It's ridiculous. But it's still fun. It's still funny, right? I'm terrible, right? I'm absolutely horrible at driving. People have told me if I ever got my actual license that they would stop driving. And now I understand why. Oh God, my bad. Oh my God, I got hiccups, bad ones. Bad case of hiccups, oh God. I'm sorry everyone for these hiccups, oh my God, here we go. Alright, well. You can all laugh at me all you want. I really don't care, people. It's funny to me too. I know. Hiccup away. Yeah. I can't wait to see what the comments say about my hiccups. It's gonna be hilarious. I just know it. Oh God. Oh hey, I haven't hit anything for a while. Watch this. I'm gonna hit something. Switch lanes. I hit something. Yep, I almost killed a man. Okay, I'm just gonna drive away, drive away. Oh, come on, hiccups, go away. I wasn't looking. Okay, guys, okay, I get it. I'm a terrible driver. Here we go. It's okay to laugh at me. It's okay. I find it funny too. God dang, these hiccups. Alright. Well, crew with hiccups. I want to know what you guys think for a good title on this. I mean, like, I'm thinking, hiccups are here, pull over. Hiccups are here, pull over. Oh yeah, there we go. That's a good one. We're going to do law enforcement all the time now. I think that'd be a good idea to go. Hey, officer. Hello, officer. Know the law. I follow the laws. Don't worry. I'm going to run this red light, but because I have lights and sirens, not because I'm breaking the law. Dang it! Hiccups. Pull. This is the hiccup. Pull over. I think that's actually a perfect title. This is the hiccups. Pull over. I think that would be a good title. Alright, let's just go ahead and join this one. I forgot I didn't even see it. I'm just cruising around and enjoying my hiccups. I'm probably going to fail miserably. at this one because of my hiccups. Sorry, sir, but your Shelby Mustang is going to help you out of here. I have that Mustang too, so everyone keep in mind I love that car. I hate pulling it over. It feels bad. Makes me feel bad. I don't like feeling bad. Oh well, gotta do my job. I gotta do my patriotic duty by arresting bad people. Right before he hit that guy too. Oh, I remember this one. I've done this one before. 2 minutes left on the clock. Can we catch him in 2 minutes? I doubt it. Can I get a break here? Can I get a brake check? Someone needs to check my brakes. Not this guy though. He needs to check my speed. Got 1 minute to catch this guy. If the camera turns off, everyone, I just want to let you all know, thank you for watching, and, oh god dang, everything else, but I'm going to hold on to this pursuit like no tomorrow, and I'll leave a comment saying if I got the guy or not. God dang it. Officer, you distracted me. Okay, here we go. I'm not going to get him. Come on! I'm catching up! No, he turned on me! It's over. It's over. What am I doing here? It's over. And my car's heavily damaged. I need to get it repaired. He escaped! No! And that is it, everyone. 15 seconds left on the clock. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you all liked it. Leave a like if you do. Subscribe to the channel. Let me know if you want more of this, and I'll give you more. Thanks for watching.